Hey guys, it's Gabby, dental hygienist from Toronto, and I'm so excited to introduce to you guys the newest electric toothbrush from Oral-B called the IO. And this is my white professional version. I've been using it for about a month now, and I absolutely love it. Brushing with an electric toothbrush is super easy. It does all the work for you, and it's proven to reduce more plaque and gingivitis than a manual toothbrush. If you love tech, this is the brush for you. It has AI, and it'll help you improve your brushing habits. This brush has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect it to your iPhone by using the Oral-B app. Right here I have the black Onyx and I have the rose quartz. And we're gonna open up the black one. I have a special surprise for you guys. One of my lucky followers are gonna have the chance to win one of these IO electric toothbrushes. It's my gift to you because I know you guys wanna improve your oral health. Okay, let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Ooh, okay, look, check out this handle, the black Onyx. It's really nice and sleek, looks super fancy, it'll look really good on your countertop. And the biggest difference for this brush is the screen, which is my favorite part. Here, you can choose a whole bunch of different languages. So we're gonna choose English. Cool, and then this part is really neat too. So the coloring, you can customize and choose whatever color you want. Choose pink. It comes with 7 different settings. You can choose from daily clean, sensitive, whitening, gum care, intense, so it's a little bit stronger than daily clean, and super sensitive, so to lower down the setting. There's also tongue cleaning. Good. Settings, so you can change, and then there's the Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your phone. Cool. What else is in here? So it comes with these brush heads, 4 brush heads. Open up one of these. Let's see. So these brush heads are different than the other ones. There's longer bristles on the outside and shorter ones on the inside. It's supposed to cup around the tooth better and also clean between your teeth a lot better. Also, the really cool thing is the brush will actually give you reminders every 3 months when you should replace your brush head. So this is the charging case. This is the charging stand. Open this. The charging stand is different than before. It has a magnet in there, so it's a little magnetic charging base. So the brush goes on like that. It's pretty cool. And then we also have the travel case, which is so cool. This is my favorite part too. So you can put your brush inside. And then there's a little plug right there. So I love this travel case. It's perfect for just going in your purse, taking it around with you. And here's the charger that goes with it. And then you just plug it in there and your toothbrush will always be charged and ready to go. What I really like about the new IO is definitely the screen. The fact that it has the 2-minute timer on there. So because every time I'm brushing, I want to be able to know how long I have to brush each area for. So it's really cool that this counts up to 2 minutes, and it gives you every 30 seconds it does like a little vibrating, so you know to move on to your next quadrant. That's my favorite part. Also, when you're brushing, something that's different about it is, so I chose pink as my color, and when you're pushing too hard, it goes red. That means you're using too much pressure. But when you're using the correct amount of pressure, it's green. So you want to keep it on the green the entire time that you're brushing, which is also something new that the Oral-B brushes never had before. It's just super fancy, and I can't wait for you guys to try it out. Thanks for checking out this video, you guys. And if you want to win your very own IO electric toothbrush, here's how you can do it. So all you have to do is like this video, tag 3 friends, and share in the comment section one feature that you're most excited to try about the new IO. Thanks for watching.